Stop everything you're doing, Apple's desktop lineup is about to change forever. If you thought the M4 generation was impressive, the M5 era is here to blow your mind. Today, we're diving into the leaked Mac Mini M5, its 512GB base, the M5 Pro, and what it means for the Mac Studio and Mac Pro. The Mac Mini has been Apple's value king for years, and the M4 already set a new standard in performance and efficiency. But the 2026 M5 model is a massive leap forward. According to leaks from Mark Gurman, GPU, up to 18% faster in Blender, 33% faster in games like Cyberpunk. CPU, 15% faster single-core, 16% faster multi-core. Neural Engine, 18% boost for AI tasks, including video upscaling and running LLMs locally. Memory, M5 Standard, 16GB RAM. M5 Pro, 24GB RAM. Design, likely sticking to the M4 chassis with a compact footprint and great port selection. Standard, 3 Thunderbolt 4 plus 2 USB-C. M5 Pro, 3 Thunderbolt 5 plus 2 USB-C. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, with rumors of Wi-Fi 7 on the Pro. Release, mid-2026, possibly around WWDC, starting at $599, an insane value for this level of performance. For those needing heavier duty performance, the Mac Studio is getting M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips. Big news. Apple might be reintroducing component customization. The CPU and GPU could be separate, letting professionals mix and match performance without overpaying. Expect M5 Max performance rivaling mobile RTX 5080 level graphics, and pricing around $2,000 for Max, $4,000 for Ultra. The Mac Pro is in a weird spot. Last updated with M2 Ultra, it's now 3 generations behind. Rumors suggest Apple may cancel the Mac Pro entirely, focusing instead on compact, efficient machines like the Mac Mini and Mac Studio. Why? The Mac Studio offers more power, smaller size, and better efficiency. Need extra ports? Thunderbolt docks have you covered. The era of massive towers is ending. The M5 Mac Mini is shaping up to be Apple's best all-around computer, ideal for gaming, AI, and everyday tasks. The Mac Studio will satisfy the 1% needing raw professional power. And the Mac Pro? It's time to say goodbye. What do you think? Are you upgrading to the M5 Mini or Studio next year, or sad to see the Mac Pro go? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more leaks and updates.